The beauty of functional medicine is that it puts your health journey in your hands, which can also be a bad thing. The curse of functional medicine is that compared to popping a pill, eating healthy takes more time, which can feel stressful. Enter the Instant Pot, a relatively new kitchen appliance that is simple to use, makes it easy to stick to a whole foods diet, and takes a whole lot of stress out of cooking when your schedule is hectic. This can be one of the best functional medicine tools to following a good diet towards healing. I feel like this should be an infomercial. For the low, low price of $9.99.99 or $99.99, you too can have the Instapot. So what makes the Instapot a good functional medicine tool? The Instant Pot's success is in its multiple features and that it produces consistent results. The Instant Pot sautés, foolproof, pressure cooks, slow cooks, makes yogurt, functions as a rice cooker, not that you should have it all that often, and quickly makes bone broths. One of my favorite and most often used benefits of the Instant Pot. It's also conducive to big batch meals, which will create nutritious leftovers for a few days. Here are some ways the Instant Pot can help you save time in the kitchen without sacrificing nutrition. Number 1, it cooks frozen meats. How many times have you forgotten to put the meat out to thaw for dinner? You can put your frozen meat in the Instant Pot and still have stew for dinner. It cuts down on dishwashing. Yay! The Instant Pot allows you to do multiple things in one pot, cutting down on dirty pots and pans. For instance, you can saute the onions and brown the meat in the same pot you cook your stew in. Additionally, you can cook in Pyrex bowls inside the Instant Pot, which can then be stored in the fridge and used as a lunch container. Don't even try this with plastic. This should be self-explanatory, but I'm saying it because you would be surprised at what some people do. It can also help remove the stress of timing. Once you put your meal in the Instant Pot, you press the button for how long it needs to cook, and then you can walk away. Not only will it shut itself off, it will also keep food warm for up to 10 hours. It makes reliable hard-boiled eggs, and some people even crack their eggs raw into the bowl before cooking for a quick and easy egg salad that doesn't require peeling eggshells. The Instant Pot can take the complexity out of pressure cooking. The Instant Pot's most popular feature is pressure cooking, which radically shortens cooking times. Best of all, it uses a foolproof design so you don't have to worry about blowing up your kitchen, which can and has happened with regular pressure cookers. It is also great as a slow cooker. One of the most satisfying dinners is the one you make in the morning, and it's waiting for you hot when you arrive home in the evening. This is perfect for those with alternate work schedules or those workaholics that don't get home until late and have a tendency to just pick up something on their way home. In addition to cooking quickly, the Instant Pot is a great slow cooker. You can brown the meat in the same pot. But wait, that's not all. You can also make dairy-free yogurt or regular yogurt. Yogurt is a delicious and convenient snack that is hard to give up when you go dairy-free. Dairy-free yogurts can be expensive and are filled with thickening gums, which are irritating and immune reactive for many people. The Instant Pot is a great dairy-free yogurt maker, using gelatin or chia as a thickener. You will need to order a high-quality brand of coconut milk, however, for a good end result. Check out my links. It also makes it easy for squash and root veggie cooking. Peeling and chopping squash and root veggies can be a real deterrent to including them in your diet. No worries, just toss them in the Instant Pot whole and then peel, seed, and chop them after they're cooked. Cooking more fragile veggies, such as broccoli, however, is best left to the stovetop steam basket to avoid overcooking. Make sure it's an all stainless steel one, no plastic or silicone. So these are just a few of the ways the Instant Pot can be a part of your functional medicine protocol to help you manage a chronic health disorder. Don't be intimidated by it. The learning curve is quick and you'll soon learn how to use it. The internet abounds with tips, recipes, and general enthusiasm to get you up to speed. As a little personal side note, I generally recommend going with the bigger sizes, especially if this is for a family. If you are just an individual or a couple, then consider the medium size. The small size isn't really good for much other than a little bit of yogurt or doing something like fondue, if you're into that. There's also a number of recipe books specifically for the Instant Pot. None of these are functional medicine specific though, so you have to kind of sift through them, at least not yet. My wife and I are working on putting one together, so stay tuned. Now, go out and get your next functional medicine tool. I'm Dr. Craig Mortensen. Be healthy, be happy.